Yo, 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 what is good? Welcome back to krabstrades. Today we're going to be doing a trade recap of this AM session trade that we took. This was a trade towards all-time highs here. All-time highs is right here to the right. And just took a base hit 1 to 2. Pretty much what I saw here coming into the session, we were super bullish, right? And the first thing that I wanted originally was a nice retrace into this unfilled 5-minute fair value gap as well as this 5-minute order block right here, but we were just way too bullish to even retrace that low. So once I started to see that we were getting some type of retrace here, I already knew that, or I didn't know, but I had a really high prediction, you can say, or there was very high probabilities that if we just had a low retracement just like we did here, then we would just pump right after, and that's exactly what happened here. And pretty much what gave me the confidence to take the long was we had a double SMT at the lows. So we had this SMT right here. Let me label these: SMT, SMT. So very importantly, first of all, we had this significant SMT, right? And we did have an unfilled 5-minute fair value gap below, but the thing is we already rebalanced a unfilled 5-minute fair value gap right here. So we already rebalanced one 5-minute fair value gap, and the thing is we already had a big ass SMT at this low. So I'm looking at this small retracement here as a big retracement really, because we had that SMT. So technically NQ already retraced like a lot more, you know. And also very importantly, looking at ES here, looking at ES here, look at what we tapped. Wait one sec, I don't know if you can see it on camera, but this line right here, this is the CE of the 5-minute fair value gap, and you can see how we reacted at it right when we tapped the CE of that 5-minute fair value gap. If we go on the 5-minute here on ES, you can see how we reacted. We wicked out of it right there, showing strong rejection out of CE. CE is something I've been using a lot just because it straight up like bottom ticks, and it's a really good like PD array. Pretty much it acts just like a PD array. Like you can see how we kind of were consolidating at it. Hold up, right here when I saw this, it gave me really strong confidence that we're going to hold it since we are consolidating at it. And after I saw we had a SMT, this was the SMT, ES took out this low, NQ did not. And also if we look at ES, what do we have right here? We had a bullish propulsion block. So propulsion block, just these two order blocks right next to each other, right there. And you can see, what did we tap of that propulsion block? The CE. Perfectly tapped the CE twice. So when I saw that as well, I didn't have the propulsion block drawn out, but I did see it, and I saw the reaction that we had off of it, combined with CE of the 5-minute fair value gap holding really strongly, and we had a SMT with these lows. So these internal lows here were all taken out, as well as this here was a SMT. So this trade was morely based off of ES a bit for the PD arrays, right? Because ES had the propulsion blocks. ES respected CE perfectly of the propulsion block as well as the 5-minute fair value gap. And on NQ though, we did have what's it called? We did have the SMTs aligned. So after getting the inverse order block, I took my entry. We had a really nice closure. Stop loss at the SMT low for about 9 points. So 9 points for 18 points. TP was right at all-time highs. And yeah, 1 to 2 base hit. Basically looking to just fill in this leg of price action here, which we caught right there. And that's really all that we need, is we only need like a 1 to 2 here. And yeah, beautiful trade. Executed this on live stream right at entry. And yeah, also here on NQ we actually did have an order block here. little small order block right there, which we tapped into. But yeah, that's pretty much the trade recap. Higher time frame, we're trading at all-time highs, so external narrative was bullish, internal narrative was bullish as well. And after we got the retrace, I was then looking for my confluences to get in. I was basically looking for where can we reject off of, and once I saw ES consolidating at CE, I saw the propulsion block, the 50% holding, I knew that we have a pretty good probability of reversing right here. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the trade recap. But yeah, ended up executing this trade on all of my accounts. Let me pull them up right here. Took this on the top steps right here. Took this on the alphas. Took this on my live account as well. So here are my executions. If we look at my past few executions, we had this trade here. If we go back to Asia session last night, and this is full transparency, like I feel like most people can't show like executions like this, honestly. Here was the Asia trade that we caught. Boom, banger. 1 to 2 p.m. model, beautiful. So last 3 trades, here are my executions. I feel like your favorite mentor, bro, they can't even show you this. But yeah, also banked on the live account, which is what I care about the most. And also, I forgot to mention, or did I mention it? I don't know, but we secured ourselves a top step payout across all 5 accounts today, so we'll be taking that out as well. And yeah, overall, it's a good ass start to the month, honestly. Really good month. I really like how I've been trading, and trading all-time highs is one of my favorite types of market conditions to trade, just because of how predictable it is, and it just keeps spamming longs pretty much until we shift structure on the higher time frames. But yeah, I mean, that's pretty much it. I'm gonna catch you guys. If you want to get coached by me one-on-one as well, this is for people who are still struggling to get funded in their trading. If you're not yet funded or you haven't started to receive consistent payouts from prop firms, fill out this link below and I'll see if you're qualified to work with me one-on-one. If so, we'll onboard you. I'll build out your entire trading plan, give you your trading journals and everything like that. For my one-on-one students, I pretty much hop on calls with them, review all of their trades that they gather in a trading journal. I build out their custom trading plan, and if that's something you're interested in, fill out that link and I'll see if you're qualified to work together with me. And if we are, let's start banking. And I do actually guarantee to work with you one-on-one until you start or until you're funded over 6 figures with prop firms and start to receive your first ever prop firm payouts. So if you're interested in that, fill out that form right there. If not, all good. It's all love. And yeah, make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Appreciate your guys' comments, for real. I'm replying to every single comment, so make sure to leave a comment. Any question you may have. I have this quote that I say sometimes: closed mouths do not get fed. So ask away any questions you may have, and we're all just here to get better every single day. So let's just get better every single day, ask questions. And yeah, until next time, I'm catch you guys. Like, comment, subscribe. Trade smart, don't short. No, I'm kidding. You could short if your model tells you to short, but we're at all-time highs. I'm expecting we're just going to keep making new all-time highs. But yeah, till next time, I'm going to catch you guys. I'm going to stop yapping, and yeah, peace out. Banger ass day.